Alright, so here we go. This is my unboxing of the DXRACER Gaming Chair. So let's see what's inside. Alright, let's go. Alright, so today we will be unboxing this bad boy right here. It's my new gaming chair that I ordered. It's a DXRACER Formula series. So let's go. The camera I put up there so you can see how I do it, and let's see how it goes. Alright, so first we have this base right here. It's pretty big. Put it here. We got this thing with the DXRACER logo. Okay. Alright, so here it is. This is the chair. And in the back, what do we have here? We have the pillows. Pillows looks so there's a pillow for the back and there's a pillow for the lumbar area, which is cool. Last part is the, oh my goodness, the seat itself. Whew. This seat is massive. I mean, like, it's pretty heavy. So that was the first part of the unboxing. It was really tiring at first, but we're excited, so okay. Let me go get this one. Alright, so all in all, this is all the pieces that we have. Oh man, let's go here. We'll try to I think we'll start with the base. Okay, check the manual. Ooh, it's all in Chinese. How can I read this? Alright, so first things first. It tells us to start with the base.
Alright, so in this part of the video, I started with the base of the chair. It's really easy. I just connected all the wheels. There's 5 wheels. And also, if you notice, there's at the top of the wheels is like a footrest where you can put your feet. I also put the middle part of the seat. And moving on, I connected the controller of the height of the chair. So this switch basically allows you to move the chair lower or higher. And I connected it to the base and started moving on to connecting the back seat of the chair itself. It's also pretty simple, just screw in around 4 screws and that's it. After that, I connected the cover. There's covers for the side of the chair to cover the screws, so it will look nicer and better. So that I just made sure that it's tight. And I move on to the last piece of the chair, which are the pillows or the cushion for the back and the pillow for the neck. Also simple to install.
done. Oh my, I like the color. Oh yes, a little bit higher here. Oh yes, let's go. Oh yes. Oh, good. Whew. Yeah. Perfect. Ta-da! So alright, so we finished our unboxing and assembling of this one. So alright guys, so this is the finished product. I'm enjoying it right now. This is the DXRACER Formula Series chair. It's really comfortable, and I hope you liked the video. I really had fun building this up, and I'm so excited to use it in my future gaming experience and work in front of the computer. So thank you for watching guys, till the next video.